Want to use WhatsApp Meta AI Assistant? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily use Meta AI Assistant on WhatsApp. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application WhatsApp is up to date. Once updated, open the application. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Now simply click on this icon right over here. It will open up the inbox with Meta AI Assistant. Well, Meta AI will help you with anything that you ask them. All you gotta do is give a simple prompt to them and they will generate the information for you. Let me ask them something related to WhatsApp. Once you've sent the message, they will immediately send you the information about it. Now you can see how you can easily make the group chat in WhatsApp. Likewise, you can ask as many questions as you want to and then click on send. Not only this, now if you click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, it will show you different options. You can either choose photos, camera or document. You can upload any of the photo and the files and give the prompt accordingly. Also, if you do not want to type in, you can use a voice message as well. So this is simply how you can use WhatsApp Meta AI Assistant. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.